In Busia County, drilling and equipping a borehole typically ranges from 1.2 million to 3 million. This cost varies based on the borehole's depth, the geological conditions, the type of pump and equipment, and the required water yield. Shallow boreholes generally cost less, while deeper ones will require advanced drilling techniques and high quality equipment can be more expensive. The total costs include the hydrogeological survey, the drilling, the casing, pump installation, and water testing. Additional costs for maintenance and electricity to operate the pump may apply if you are not using the solar panels. For a precise estimate, it's best to invite us for a hydrogeological survey. Then we'll be able to provide you with a tailored solution, and we'll also consider the seasonal cost variations. Our number is always open. Call us anytime and we'll be able to help you.